What's up guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna be looking at CSS nesting. So nesting is a new feature. I think it came around late last year, and if you're familiar with the SCSS, this is not gonna be new to you. So what it does is that you can now nest a child selector within the parent selector like this using this syntax, and then the browser is going to pass your code like this. It's very similar to SCSS. It's pretty much the same. So let me just show you guys an example of what I've done in CSS Battle. So now I have a div which is the parent, and now I've selected the before pseudo elements within it. So as you can see, this is a much more compact and readable code when you do something like this. So this is like the old way of doing things, and now this is a much more better compact code.